Inivata is looking to bring to market a new type of technology called a liquid biopsy that addresses many of the shortcomings associated with the tissue biopsy.
Hi, I'm Lucie Ellis, Senior Editor at Scrip, and I'm here at Bio Europe in Berlin, and I'm joined by Inivata's Beeler, who's Vice President of Corporate and Business Development. So thanks for joining me, John.
You're welcome.
Inivata is a genomics company using DNA technology to improve personalised healthcare in cancer. So just to start off, can you talk a bit more about your technology and how it's addressing an unmet need?
Sure. So to put that answer into context, start out by saying what we're witnessing is the emergence of the era of genomic medicine, in which molecular information is essential for the effective and efficient use of today's therapies. And yet, despite that excitement, there are limitations on the standard that is used to get that information, the tissue biopsy. Inivata is looking to bring to market a new type of technology called a liquid biopsy that addresses many of the shortcomings associated with the tissue biopsy.
And how else is this different to what's available elsewhere or in development elsewhere?
Right. So it's very early in the overall stage, product development stage of liquid biopsies itself. And what we are developing is a proprietary platform referred to as Envision, which is an amplicon-based next-gen sequencing technology to profile the molecular alterations in circulating tumor DNA, including those at very low frequencies.
And who do you see as your competition?
So right now it's a very crowded field, which is a reflection of the overall interest in the area. So there are many developers out there, and I think what we're going to see over the short term is attrition in the field, in which some of those will be weeded out based on performance characteristics of the assay, and we're confident that Inivata will be a leader in this space of profiling circulating tumor DNA via liquid biopsies.
And who are your current partners then, and how are you working with different companies?
So yeah, partnerships is a very important piece of our corporate objectives as we move forward. I think overall, to move this new innovative technology forward will not be done by us alone. So we're looking to partner with all the relevant stakeholders in the field, including clinicians, payers, patients, even the biopharma community. So within that realm, we've been very successful over the last year of establishing partnerships along those stakeholders that I mentioned.
And you recently agreed a partnership with the West Cancer Center, so can you explain a bit more about that?
Sure. So the West Cancer Clinic down in Memphis, Tennessee is part of our ICANN sites, which is an Inivata Knowledge Accumulation Network. It's an opportunity to work with these sites, to give them access to our testing, but also to do the testing on cancer patients, to understand the utility and how this can transform, improve the outcome of patients with cancer.
And so you're a privately funded company, so how far into the future are you financed, and what's your future strategy for funding?
Right. So as been publicly disclosed, we closed a successful Series A round in January 2016, which was a £31.1 million round. We have been capital efficient during that time, and as most companies our size and stage, we are continuously keeping a pulse of market opportunities and look at how we'll fund the next round of growth.
And so what are the key goals coming up for the company, specifically looking into 2018?
2018, yeah. So we're looking at 2018 to be a very exciting year for Inivata as we transition from a development stage to a commercial stage company. We're working on our product line. We're looking to bring those to the market in 2018.
And how are you preparing for that transition?
So we are preparing through continuing to accumulate data sets that demonstrate the utility of our assay that is going to drive adoption and convince payers of the value of the product.
Perfect. Well, it's really interesting to find out more about that, and thanks for coming to speak to us.
Well, thank you very much for the time.